The Department of Corrections has a new health care provider. It's also made changes to recruiting, training, and impartiality practices. Local 22's Courtney Adelman also has more tonight on an ongoing investigation.
Starting on July 1st, VITALCORE Health Strategies took over as the new health care provider for the Vermont Department of Corrections. Commissioner Jim Baker says these changes being made are vital for the future of the department.
It is a big piece of our budget, and it's important that we provide the absolute best health care to the folks that we're responsible for.
Department of Corrections Commissioner Jim Baker says VITALCORE redefines the way healthcare is provided in prisons. VIOLA RIGGIN is the Chief Executive Officer for VITALCORE.
We're making sure that in the industry that we try to break down the walls, that we provide care internally just as you would get it externally.
Baker also announced the newly formed Office of Professional Standards, which will replace the Office of Professional Developments and Training. He says this department will be looking to diversify the workforce and use data as a way to improve. Leading those efforts is Heather Simons.
That we can combine efforts on conversations that many of us have been having for decades, and constituencies in terms of outreach, understanding where our community is coming from, what family members are thinking in terms of the care that we're giving, but also equally what family members of our workforce are needing to hear from us.
On the call, Baker reflected on an incident that happened in December when an inmate died in custody of the Vermont DOC, saying these new changes are critical. An investigation into that incident is still ongoing. And in terms of the pandemic, VITALCORE says they have a COVID call every day and inmates are being tested regularly. Reporting in Burlington, Courtney Adelman, Local 22 News.